doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So it's Christmas time. Starting from mid of November, there's this Christmas vibe here in London, and there's loads of decorations, illuminations, displays, and it just feels so festive in London. So before I move forward with all the Christmas content, I want you guys to know that this video has been kindly sponsored by Tinko. I have a big package right here that I want to unbox in front of you guys. Whoa! Vacuum cleaner. Let's unbox. So Tinko has kindly sent me Floor 1 S3 cordless vacuum and wash. It's basically for hard floors, and as you guys know, I moved to this new apartment and there's hard floor. There's no carpet in our house. This does the work of mopping as well as vacuuming. I mean, that's revolutionary. Let's unbox. So here's what came inside the package. This is the charging base, a handle for the vacuum cleaner, brush, this is the roller. So the best part is it comes with a deodorizing and cleaning solution. You have to add this in the tank with water, and yes, it's a great way to clean hard floors. So this is a cordless vacuum cleaner, and here's the charger, this is the HEPA filter, here are a few accessories, here's the vacuum cleaner. Now talking about the first impressions, I really love the quality. It looks of a very good quality and it's quite sturdy. So this is a tank and I have to fill it with water, and here's another tank which has got HEPA filter. So basically all the dust is accumulated inside this tank, and like you can see, here's the roller. I filled the tank with water and cleaning solution. Let's start vacuuming. Here's my honest review about the vacuum cleaner. I really loved it. As you can see, I poured some ketchup mixed with water, and it really cleaned the hard floor well after that. And the best part is the LED screen. It shows me how much battery life is left, and after the first use, I feel that the battery life is good. And there are two modes, that is minimum and maximum suction power. You can see it on the LED screen. So you can choose, depending on how dirty your floor is. All the details and the link to the product has been mentioned in the description box in case you would like to buy it. Oh, it's so cold. So where I'm off to, I'm gonna meet my friend today at Bond Street, and then we are gonna go for ice skating. I'm so excited. So my friend's name is Zara. When I first came to London, I started this volunteering job, and on the first day of job, I met Zara and we became great friends, and we were in touch through Instagram, and I really like her. She's a sweetheart.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane.
Honestly, I really wanted to buy everything at the art gallery, and yes, I am right now at Bond Street and I'm waiting for Zara. Since it's morning, so the lights aren't on. If you would see the peacock feather, it's quite famous here, and yes, it's iconic.
Now we're back here once again. Holiday.
I would definitely love to sit here just to have this view. So can this be the most dreamiest Christmas installation? Like I said, it's pretty all around me. So dreamy. So guys, look who's here with me.
Hello everyone.
She's Zara.
I'm Zara. Nice to meet you.
Isn't she the cutest? I mean, I love your hat. We are off to ice skating. I'm super excited. Are you excited? Yes, definitely. I'm on the ice rink at Somerset House. So lovely with all that Christmas tree and everything. I am pathetic when it comes to ice skating. Oh my god. I mean, I have such a big fear of falling down. I still am standing on my feet. I mean, that's quite surprising with my skates on. But I'm struggling way too much to ice skate. But yes, look at everybody else. They're ice skating so well.
Wanna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold.
We are at Covent Garden and look at all the igloos there. It's so beautiful and pretty. The one thing that I really love about Covent Garden is the vibe. If you're coming here during Christmas, the vibe is something else. I mean, they have these pop-up igloos right now where you can dine in and also take pictures inside these, you know, small huts. It's so festive and beautiful here.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Oh my god, look at the tree. So pretty.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So I want to talk to you about fake snow. Yes, in Covent Garden there's gonna be fake snowfall from 12 o'clock till 7 o'clock every year, and it lasts for 3 minutes. I even posted a reel about it on Instagram. Here in London, you never know when it's gonna have a proper snowfall, the real one. So people really enjoy these kind of snowfalls. That's fake snowfall. That 3 minutes of your life is so happy. So apparently the fake snow is gonna come from there. We are waiting. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's done. Oh.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Oh my god, I had such an amazing time experiencing the fake snowfall. But it was so nice. I mean, just a happy moment. And the second thing that happened that made me happy was meeting one of you guys. So I met one of my followers whose name is Kimchi, and she came and said hi at Covent Garden, and I'm so happy that, you know, somebody came and said hi, and she told me that you're ShinewithShanu, right? And I said yes, and she was like, I love your work and I love all the videos and I follow it and I go to the places which you visit, and that made my day.
wanna hang out with my friends and family.
So right now I'm at Trafalgar Square, and I'm gonna show you guys a very beautiful Christmas market here at Trafalgar Square. Hope you like it, because all the Christmas markets here in London, it's so cute. I'm really sorry about the noise because there are fountains right behind me. It's a lovely place. I mean, people, you know, come and sit here and relax and spend time with their family. There are fountains and lovely architecture. I love London. Can you spot all these beautiful huts? So these are the stalls here at the Christmas market.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. So did you enjoy? I honestly love Christmas market so much. Everything is so cute and lovely. So most of the things are handmade. So yes, that's quite interesting. So that was it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a lot of reels and content there as well. Bye for now.
It will always be Christmas.